Have you ever noticed how different you feel after just 20 minutes in the garden? The quieter breathing, the softer shoulders, the small glow of pride when a new leaf unfurls? Those moments aren't just pleasant. They're training your body and protecting your brain. After 65, gardening may be the most complete, sustainable exercise on earth. Today, we'll dig into why and exactly how to turn any space, from a quarter-acre plot to a sunny windowsill, into your safest, happiest gym. 1. Real-life strength for real-life tasks. Out among the roses and tomatoes, your body practices the movements that keep you independent. Lifting, carrying, squatting, reaching, pushing, pulling, and gripping. These functional 7 make stairs friendlier, chairs easier to rise from, and falls less likely. Tom in Ohio, 72, didn't have barbells. He added 2 light compost carries a day. He kept loads close, spine tall, step steady. 6 months later, stairs felt easier and back twinges faded. Turn garden time into safe strength training. Hip hinge mantra, hips back, chest proud. Heels grounded when you squat to weed. Microsets, 3 minutes digging, 1 minute standing tall to shake out hands. Repeat 3 to 4 rounds. Even sides, switch tool hands every few minutes to avoid one-sided twisting. Pack light, 2 light trips beat 1 heavy strain. Use a cart or plant caddy. Core cue, exhale gently before you lift, as if zipping a jacket around your middle. Grip strength equals independence. Every squeeze of pruners, twist of a hose, or tug on a weed trains the forearms that open jars and steady you if you stumble. Safety checklist. Loads close to body. Turn with small steps, don't twist. If a pot feels heavy at arm's length, tilt it onto a caddy and glide. 2. Balance and flexibility. Train by terrain. Balance is built by playful instability. Gardens offer safe, uneven ground that wakes up ankles, knees, and hips. Reaching to prune, stepping over a hose, pivoting with a wheelbarrow, tiny challenges that sharpen stabilizers. Margaret in Yorkshire, 68, began with kettle time heel raises in garden ballet. Slow reaches to deadhead roses while keeping her weight centered. 2 months later, she waters for 5 minutes on one leg, swapping sides every few breaths. Posture taller, confidence brighter. Flexibility follows frequency, little stretches many times. Kneeling? Cushion knees, keep spine long. Not kneeling? Use a kneeler bench with handles or a low stool. Forward bends cranky? Hinge your hips. Imagine closing a drawer with your backside. Stand-up moments. Reach overhead, side bend, breathe into ribs. Balance safety, tidy tools, grippy shoes. Keep a hand near support. Fence post, bench, raise bed edge. Balance micro drills woven into tasks. Watering on one leg. 20 seconds each side, 3 rounds. Heel to toe along patio slabs. Eyes on horizon. Reach and return. Touch a leaf with your right hand while your left foot taps a marker behind you. Switch. 3. Calm the nervous system. Clear the mind. Gardening pairs movement with meaning. Lowering stress hormones. Steadying the heart and quieting racing thoughts. Rhythmical pruning, herb scents, and the hush of soil make a moving meditation with visible reward. Nora in Melbourne, 74, widowed 2 winters ago, began morning rounds, 15 minutes of misting ferns, pinching basil, sweeping a small path. Inhale through the nose as she reaches. Exhale through the mouth as she trims. Sleep deepened. Days softened. Make your garden a mental health practice. Choose a daily anchor task. Watering pots, checking shoots, sweeping 1 square meter. Pace where you could recite a poem. When thoughts intrude, label gently, planning, worrying, and return a leaf soil breath. Close with a tiny ritual. Touch a tree trunk. Thank a plant. Name 1 surprise. Rituals whisper, you are safe. Cognitive bonus. Planting soil, seed, water. Attention, spotting new growth. Memory, with a hand fork went. Brain training wrapped in joy. 4. Gentle cardio that loves your heart. Cardio doesn't require pounding pavements. In the garden, your heart rate rises steadily as you walk, carry, bend, sweep, and rake, often longer because you're absorbed. That just right zone supports blood pressure, circulation, and everyday energy. James and Sydney, 70, treat steps as a story. On pruning days, he reaches a comfortable zone for 20 to 30 minutes without feeling worked out. In heat, he gardens early, sips before thirst, and wears a wide-brim hat. Flower cardio. A 22-minute garden cardio circuit. Warm-up, 5-minute stroll, shoulders loose. Circuit A, 3 minutes sweeping, 3 minutes watering with a wand, 3 minutes raking. Rest 1 minute with slow breathing. Repeat once. Cool down. 2 minutes strolling, shoulder rolls, 3 deep breaths. Effort cue. Conversational pace. Breathing deeper but still able to talk. If breath strains or tools feel heavy, shrink the task. Rest in shade. Sip. Resume gently. 5. Immunity, mood, and the magic of soil. Soil is a living community. Time outdoors, fresh air, light movement, and daylight support immune balance and mood. After rain, the earthy scent, petrichor, can cue a long, slow exhale. Morning daylight, micro doses set your body clock. 5 to 10 minutes inspecting seedlings can anchor sleep-wake rhythm. Spring allergies? Garden early or late. Rinse off after. Keep garden shoes at the door. Nutrition bonus. What you grow is what you eat. Fresher greens taste sweeter. Herbs make vegetables sing. More color on the plate. Tomatoes, leafy greens, berries. Often means kinder blood pressure, steadier blood sugar, brighter energy. Confidence grow list, easy. Forgiving, quick wins, salad bowl. Cut and come again lettuces, rocket/arugula, spinach. Herb trio, basil, mint, parsley, or rosemary/thyme for drought-tolerant ease. Balcony tomatoes. Cherry types in a 5-gallon bucket with a stake and mulch. Speed thrillers. Radishes 3 to 4 weeks. Microgreens 10 to 14 days. Spring onions from kitchen offcuts. 6. Purpose, community, and the medicine of belonging. A garden is a relationship, not a project. Purpose protects health as surely as movement. Plants to care for. Seasons to anticipate. Harvest to share. Margaret launched tea and trowel Wednesdays with 3 neighbors. Seedlings swapped. Verge tidied. Story shared. Scones arrive, laughter follows. These ties soften loneliness and lift mood. No screens required. Live alone, place a small basket by the gate. Free herbs, please take. Sprigs of mint spark conversations with passers-by. Health grows in those small human moments. Community ideas. Join a community garden. Host a seed swap. Label plants for visiting grandchildren. Keep guest scissors by the gate. Snip 1 herb for tonight's dinner. 7. Adaptable for every body, every space, every season. Gardening scales to you. Backyard, balcony, windowsill. Arthritis-friendly hands. Cushioned, easy grip tools. Wrist neutral. Finger vacations. Open/close hands 10 times between tasks. On cold mornings, warm fingers in a bowl of warm water before starting. Back and hips. Raise the garden, waist-high beds, containers on stands. Keep tasks at mid-height. Hinge at hips, spine long. Avoid deep rounded back lifts. Slide, roll, or glide loads. Use plant caddies, dollies, carts. Balance or neuropathy. Work near support. Widen stance. Choose lighter tasks. Pinching herbs, wand watering. Keep paths clear. Coil hoses as you go. Lungs or heart conditions. Garden in cooler hours. Add shade rests. Use short intervals. Sit for precision tasks. Stand to stretch between bouts. If breath or chest feels off, stop, rest, seek guidance. Small space wins. Deep window box salads. Kitchen rail herbs. Hanging basket strawberries. Dwarf citrus in tubs. Indoors. Microgreens under a lamp. Orchids for quiet joy. Or that one basil pot that perfumes a room. Bad weather plan. Sort seeds. Clean and oil tools. Repot houseplants. Map next season. Start seedlings under a simple grow light. Keep the garden habit, even when skies are unkind. 8. Pain smart gardening. Modify, don't quit. Knees ache kneeling? Garden seated at bench height. Back tight digging? Switch to short, shallow fork work with more rests. Shoulder cranky pruning overhead? Work at chest height and alternate arms. Pain traffic light. Green, mild, fades quickly. Continue but vary positions. Amber, sharp or building. Pause. Modify tool height/handle, lighten load. Red, lingering or radiating. Stop for the day. Choose non-provocative tasks tomorrow. Swap moves, not goals. If pulling weeds irritates wrists, use a loop handle hoe. If carrying watering can strain your back, use a hose with a shut-off wand and gentle trigger. 9. Hydration, sun and skin, your quiet shield. Drink before you're thirsty, especially in warm months. Keep a reusable bottle at the bed edge. Sip between tasks. Wear a wide brim hat, light long sleeves, and gloves. Sunscreen on exposed skin. Reapply for longer sessions. Rest in shade every 15 to 20 minutes in heat. Aim for morning or late day gardening in summer. Foot check habit. After sessions, inspect soles in between toes, especially important if you have diabetes or neuropathy. 10. Tiny nutrition from the garden. Plate ideas you'll actually eat. U.S. Cherry tomato, cucumber, parsley bowl with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Add canned chickpeas for protein. UK. Warm new potato salad with chives, dill, and yogurt mustard dressing. Side of tinned salmon. Australia. Whole grain toast with smashed avu, cherry tomatoes, and basil. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds. Anytime tea. Mint and lemon balm leaves in hot water for a calming brew. 11. The 5x5 microplan for busy or low energy days. If you're tired or short on time, do this. 5 minutes, 5 moves. Stroll the path, 1 minute. Water 2 pots, 1 minute. Hip hinge to pick 3 small weeds, 1 minute. Reach and return to prune 5 stems, 1 minute. Hands to sky, side bend, slow breath, 1 minute. Check. Heart calmer, shoulders softer, day brighter. 12. Track progress without apps. Feel the wins. Every Sunday, answer 3 simple questions in notebook. How easy did stairs feel this week? Hard/okay/easy. How was my sleep? Restless/fair/deep. How steady did I feel in the garden? Wobbly/steady/strong. Add 1 note. This surprised me. Progress hides in these quiet wins. A gentle, garden-safe warm-up and cool down. Before you begin, 2 to 3 minutes. Roll shoulders forward/back X10. Circle wrists and ankles, slow and smooth. March in place X 30 steps, breathing out gently. 5 hip hinges with hands on a bench, spine long. 10 ankle pumps, leaning on a fence or counter. After you finish, 2 to 3 minutes. Stand tall, interlace fingers, reach overhead. Breathe in, sigh out. Side bend left/right, slow and easy. Step 1 foot back, press heel for a calf stretch. Switch sides. Hand on a tree or wall. 3 slow breaths. Name 1 thing you enjoyed. A beginner's weekly garden plan, 10 to 30 minutes, most days. Day 1, walk the garden. Easy stroll, light cleanup, water pots. Day 2, strength. 2 light watering can carries. 5 hip hinges. 10 squat to stand from a bench. Day 3, balance. Water on 1 leg, 20s each 3 rounds. Heel to toe path walk. Day 4, restorative. Prune, deadhead, sweep, no heavy carries. Day 5, cardio. Sweep 3 minutes plus water 3 minutes plus rake 3 minutes. Rest 1 minute. Repeat. Day 6, flexibility. Repot at bench height. Side bends and shoulder rolls every few minutes. Day 7, joy day. Tea in the garden. Plan next plantings. Share herbs with a neighbor. Seasonal edits. Winter, indoor plants, seed starting, plan maps, herb cuttings and water. Spring, soil prep, cool season sowing, short frequent sessions. Summer, early/late sessions, shade breaks, hat plus hydration. Autumn, harvest, mulch, plant garlic/bulbs, oil tools for rest. Smart tools and simple safety. Think long handles, light loads, tidy paths. Long handle fork/hose, spare your back. Lightweight hose with a wand saves wrists. Garden cart or plant caddy turns heavy to glide. Gloves, grippy closed-toe shoes, hat, sunscreen. Coil hoses as you move to remove trip lines. Rise slowly from kneeling. Squeeze calves X10 to pump blood upward. Special notes. Osteoporosis. Avoid deep, rounded back lifting. Hinge at hips. Loads close. Blood thinners. Gloves, and I carry around thorns. Diabetes, water handy. Light snack of long sessions. Check feet after. New or worsening pain. Scale down tomorrow. Choose positions your body enjoys. Troubleshooting and myth busting. My garden is too small. 2 pots can be a gym. I carry a squat, a reach. Progress is consistency, not acreage. I can't kneel. Don't. Lift the garden to you. Raise beds, benches, standing height tasks. I forget what to do. Keep a laminated 5x5 card by the door. Do it and you've won the day. Gardening isn't real exercise. If your heart rate rises, muscles work, joints move, breath deepens, mood lifts, and sleep improves, it counts. And because you enjoy it, you'll keep doing it. Why is gardening the best exercise after 65? Because it trains the movements that protect your independence, improves balance where life actually happens, calms your mind in the kindest way, brightens sleep and mood, and gives you something beautiful to care for. It's exercise that doesn't look like exercise, and that's the secret to doing it for years. I'd love to hear from you. What's one plant or one memory from your garden that brings you calm? Share it in the comments. Your story might be the seed that helps someone else. Southeast Begin. If this spoke to you, please like the video, subscribe for more gentle, science-guided health tips after 60, and share with a friend who needs a little sunlight and soil. Your garden is waiting, and so is your strongest, calmest self.